welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starry, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starry. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making lazy lasagna. Thank you so much to Tila for the suggestion over on TikTok. I appreciate it. So that's what we're making today. A few things. I have made lasagna a couple of times before with my friend JR. Shout out to you, JR. Every time that we've made it, it was a lot of work. So I am quite intrigued to see how in the heck we're gonna make lazy lasagna. Like, do you see this? I mean, it's just spices and mixing and stuff, but do you see this? That's not lazy. That is not lazy. I looked at it at first and I was like, oh, I am intimidated. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see. Like, is it really gonna be lazy lasagna? And plus, like, lasagna does take a while to make. So, like, I don't know, I have questions. I want to see how it's gonna be lazy. Here's what it looks like in the picture. Look, it looks so cute. Look at you, you're so lazy. I tried to draw him like that. Well, A for effort, baby. So yeah, that's what we're making today. We have something right up here. And look at all these steps. Lazy. Lazy. This is probably the most directions that I have done for one of these. Like from one of these recipes. So it's also like in the red. It's a level 3. Hard. And it makes 8 servings. Cool, because I can eat lasagna though. I love lasagna. Like, it's so delicious. It says 13 by 9 inch. I don't think that's 13 by 9 inch. No, that is not the right brand to use. But we'll be making a lot today. 8 servings? I can tear up a lasagna. I love lasagna, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out and seeing if it is actually lazy. I am feeling a little lazy today, so perfect opportunity. It is currently 11:33 a.m. I am ready for lunch already, so I should have done this. I should have started this sooner, honestly. But it's 11:33. Let's see how long this ends up taking us and if it is truly lazy. Now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. So let's see what it says right up here. Pretend you're making a bed. Layer, smooth, so many layers. It's like all the comforters you can handle, except in this case, it's not blankets. It's noodles and cheese, aka the most delicious bed ever. Bind it all together with a souped up sauce and even more cheese. Such rich deliciousness will put you into a state of food drowsiness, and the only cure is more lasagna. That sounds awesome. That sounds so awesome. That honestly doesn't seem too bad. It's layering, yeah. I don't know. Layering is always a lot of work to me, honestly, so slightly lazy, a little more work. A nice lunch. Oh no, we'll see. I don't know. I'm excited. I love lasagna, so my tummy's gonna be happy regardless. I'm literally fine with like frozen lasagnas. My standards for lasagna are not very high, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Yeah, so much stuff. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish with olive oil. In a skillet over medium-high heat, brown the ground beef and garlic. Season with oregano, salt, pepper, and onion powder. Stir in the pasta sauce, set aside. In a small bowl, stir together the ricotta cheese, mozzarella, and eggs. Season with salt and pepper, set aside. Spread 1 cup of sauce evenly into the bottom of the prepped pan. Add a layer of noodles, then top with 1/3 of the ricotta cheese mixture and sauce. Repeat with 3 more layers, ending with noodles. Spread the remaining sauce on top and sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Ooh, Timmy. Cover with foil and bake for 50 minutes. Uncover and cook for another 10 minutes. Let cool slightly, then serve. I can never cut things even. Oh, look. The parchment paper came off. she is. There she is. And here's the review. Meow. I cut it a little weird. Look at the layers. Oh god, I'm so excited to eat this. Yummy. It looks pretty good.
Great. Got it. That's pretty good.
Tastes like lasagna.
It do taste like lasagna.
Cool.
Nice. Can't wait to have it for dinner later.
It's a lot.
And maybe all week.
It's a lot. It tastes pretty good. Look at how much cheese I put on there. There's so much cheese. Dude. It's pretty damn good. Alright, it's done. It is 1:51. So it still took a minute. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Actually, it's about the same as making lasagna. Maybe like less ingredients, but there was still a billion dishes to do, but it's okay because the dishes got done and my kitchen's clean for the most part. So yummy. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy with the result. Like, oh my god. Like, amazing. Ugh, I'm so hungry, so I'm excited. But that's all I got for you guys today. Give a special thank you to Tila again from her suggestion over on TikTok. Thank you, Tila. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Gudetama Cookbook, there's options right here for you guys. So you can pause to read if you want. And let me know if there's anything that you guys want me to make from there. I am so open to suggestions. I am pretty happy with everything that I have tried so far. I mean, it wasn't that much like lazy, I guess. I feel like it was like slightly easy version of like making lasagna. And it was like the first time I've actually made it by myself because all the times I made it before was with my friend JR. So, you know, woohoo. And eggs. Crazy. Delicious though. Absolutely delicious. And I wasn't sure about the marinara sauce because it was a little under 4 cups, but I really just I bought it for the jar. I'm already like cleaning it out. Like, I bought it, like, look at this jar. Do you see this? This is a pretty solid fucking jar, dude. Like, I can't wait to use this. I have another jar sitting. There's apple juice in here. Look at this. I can put my stuff in here. So I'm really excited about these jars. Solid jar. But, I mean, it was pretty easy. Like, straightforward. Just a lot of work, honestly, but I'd say it. I think it's still a win. I had a good time with it. The food tastes great, and I would absolutely make it again because, well, lasagna. Do you guys enjoy lasagna? If you do, is there like a certain kind that you like? I remember whenever I was younger, my mom would get us this vegetarian lasagna. Honestly, it was pretty good, and she would just get us a bunch of different kind of frozen lasagnas, and I liked all of them. So there was chicken in one. That was strange. And then the vegetarian one, I think those are the only two that I'm like thinking besides like the other like basic one. So I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for watching through this video and making it until the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and or a comment. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the cookbook, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be more than happy to try it out. So, yay! Thank you guys again. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and I hope to see you guys in the next video. I don't know, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! bigger bowl. I think that's good. Ooh, it's heavy. Look at the layers. Oh my god, I'm so excited to make this. Yummy.